Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to configure a XAMPP web server or how to change XAMPP web server location or root folder. First of all, launch your XAMPP control panel and run Apache and MySQL. And now to see your current XAMPP root, here click on this config next to Apache. And here click on Apache httpd.conf, and once the file opened, press Ctrl F, and in this search box you have to type document root and hit enter. And here, as you can see, my current document root is C drive, XAMPP folder, htdocs folder. So I'm going to open in my file explorer, going to my C drive, going to XAMPP folder, and this is the htdocs folder. And in this htdocs folder I have to create my all websites. And now to change this directory, all you have to need, I'm going to my local disk C drive, and here let's create a new folder first, and typing here my htdocs. Okay, the folder created. Now I will use this new folder for my new XAMPP web server. So first of all, we have to copy our new folder location. So open your new folder where you want to move your XAMPP web server, and now click on this location box and just copy your current location. And now go to the file editor again, and here you have to replace this location with your new web server folder location, and here replace these two options, and here you have to add / and then just click on save. And now I'm going to move my existing website from old XAMPP web server folder. So here's my folder. Let's copy this folder and paste it into my new location. Now we have to restart our XAMPP control panel. So open XAMPP control panel and stop Apache and MySQL, and again run or start Apache and MySQL. Once successfully done, now go to your browser and just type localhost / and as you can see, this is my new website and it's running for my new XAMPP server folder. So I'm typing my project or folder name here, and that's it. As you can see, my website is perfectly running from my XAMPP new web server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.